The manufacturing sector is entering a new era. From robotics to real-time analytics, digital transformation will drive greater efficiency, agility and visibility across production lines, supply chains and workforces. But digital transformation and adoption won't be easy. Processes need to be adapted, teams need to be educated, technologies need to be upgraded, and some manufacturers are struggling to keep up. A census-wide survey on behalf of Computacenter revealed that 90% of manufacturers believe technology is important to their business. Yet a lack of skills and outdated equipment threaten to hold back the digitalisation agenda. As the pace of digital transformation increases, manufacturers need to overcome these and other challenges, or risk being left behind by the competition. The potential for change on the factory floor and beyond is immense. The survey demonstrated that IT decision-makers in the sector understand the importance of embracing digital innovation. For example, 50% of manufacturers believe artificial intelligence and data analytics will be key to their future success. Digitalization will not only transform manufacturing operations, it will also enrich the user experience. Attracting and retaining great talent is vital for boosting competitive advantage. Around 1 in 5 manufacturers say modernizing the workplace with new technologies is at the top of their IT agenda. Mobile devices, collaboration tools, and cloud services can all empower employees to work faster and smarter. To maximize productivity and profitability, manufacturers need to ramp up their digital innovation capabilities. Computacenter helps companies access the skills and technologies they need to transform their processes and empower their people for digital success. We automate workflows. We integrate big data. We enable continuous delivery. By seizing the digital advantage, manufacturers will be able to safeguard their supply chains, accelerate their time to market, and reduce their operating costs.